Hi boys and girls, we're going to do a fun activity today and you're going to find it in this black folder. So I'm going to show you where to find it though, because this is where we put our holiday things. We did, remember our Martin Luther King packet that we worked on, and we're working on the Valentine's packet. Well, I did not want to put this in the Valentine's packet because I didn't want to staple it. So what I did is I put it in the way back here. Let me take that out and show you. Okay, underneath the President's Day things. Okay, the little packet in the very last, look, all the way in the back. So if you need to, ask mom and dad to watch this and they can find you this paper, okay? It is a math paper, but it's also just fun for Valentine's Day today. So you're gonna need this. You're gonna need some crayons. Do I have my crayons here? Yes, I do. And you're gonna need your little box of heart candy that I gave you. Now, boys and girls, when I was getting these things ready, that was way back in January. And this is all I could find, and I found them at the 99-cent store when I was so happy. I thought, oh yay, instead of having to put candy hearts in a little baggie like I usually do, I can give everyone a box. But I didn't realize when they said tiny conversation hearts, I thought they were going to be small and that there'd be more in here. There's not as many in here as I was hoping. So this is not going to take you very long, and it's not going to be as much counting as I would like, but it's still going to be fun, right? Okay, so what you're going to do, I'm going to tip this over and let me show you the paper. It says My Candy Heart Graph. And then you see the numbers at 1, and they go all the way up to 12. Here, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They go up like this because that's what a graph does. Okay, you color up like this, like you're going up the stairs. Some graphs go across, but a lot of the ones we do go up like that. And then down on the bottom, it says pink, purple, green, yellow, orange, and blue, because that's what color the candy hearts come in. Now, I don't know if we have any blue, but we will check it out. And then over here it says pink, purple, green, yellow, orange, and blue. So before we do anything, I want you guys to color with me. We're going to find a pink first, and I need to put my glasses on. So remember our color song. Cotton candy, fat pink pigs, girls with socks and bows. P-I-N-K, P-I-N-K, that is how it goes. Bubblegum Valentines, they are all pink too. Pink I seen in pink balloons. We can spell, can you? Yes. Okay, so I colored the pink here and I colored the pink here. So let's do that before we even dump out our little hearts, okay? The next is P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. I'm not going to sing every single song. I'll just sing a little bit. And then there's purple over here too. So it's going to save you time if you color this and this. Okay, the next one is G-R-E-E-N, G-R-E-E-N. I know how to spell green, G-R-E-E-N. Now, once I get these crayons out, leave them out. Don't put them back in your box or wherever you keep them. Leave them out because we're going to need them again. The next one is Y-E-L-L-O-W, spells, what is it? Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, spells yellow. We're going to have a day where we just do color songs on Zoom. Wouldn't that be fun? Okay, and the next one is O-R-A-N-G-E, O-R-A-N-G-E, O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange is what that spells. And I don't think we're going to have any blue, but let's color it because we've got it on here. B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? Oh, I just love this, okay? So I have my graph colors down here and here, okay? Now over here it says how many hearts. So what we're going to do is we're going to dump them all out. Like I said, oh, there's not as many as I would hope, but oh, that's not too bad. Uh-oh, guess what? I see white in here, but no blue. So what we'll do is we'll put the white, the one white, where it says blue, okay? Because they didn't know that we had white in here. They thought we had blue. All right, I suppose every type you buy are a little different. All right, pink. I'm just going to set them up here like I'm going up the stairs. 1, 2, 3. Now, boys and girls, yours might not be just like mine. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, it's always fun to make a guess. Like when they're all piled on there together, can you make a prediction? And what do you think I have the most of? Well, we definitely are not going to guess white. And right off the top, I can only see 2 purple, so I'm not going to guess that. I think I have the most yellow. What do you guys think? Should I lift this up? What do you think I have the most of? I think it's yellow. So you can just make a prediction. It doesn't matter if you're right or wrong. It's just for fun. So let's put these back now. This one says love you. This one says sweet. And this one says be mine. Okay, let me move the white one here. Now this green one is broken, but I'm still going to count it. Okay, and green. Oh, I love these. I cannot wait to be done and eat them. All right, I'm going to put these off of here because we need the rest of our little things here. So I'm going to arrange them on my paper. Here's my yellows. See, if I would have bought a bigger box, then you would have had more, and some of them might have gone all the way up to the top. So I apologize. Maybe if you have some conversation hearts at your house, and you want to add a few more, just make sure it's not more than 12. Okay. Ooh, I like that one. And I'm going to put my oranges right here. There's 2, and I'm going to put my purple right here. Now, the reason we do graphs in kindergarten, graphs are so much fun because look, you get so much information from a graph, don't you? Yeah, you really do. So you can tell right away, what do I have the most of? What do I have the most of? It's the one that goes up the highest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so right here where it says yellow, I'm going to write the number 6. Down and around with a big fat tummy, right? Okay, what do I have the fewest of? The smallest. White. Now, so we're just going to put that here. I wish I would have noticed that, and I would have just whited that out before I copied it, but that's all right. We're just going to pretend that white is blue. We have 1. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the pink. We've got 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write that number there. And then we've got purples. We have 1, 2. Greens, we have 1, 2, 3. And orange, we have 1, 2. So do we have any sets? We definitely know the yellow is the most. We know that the white is the least. Do we have any that are equal, boys and girls? You guys remember what equal is? This is just like the test I did on ESGI not too long ago, right? You guys had to tell me which set had the most, which set had the fewest, and find the sets that were equal. Okay, remember? All right, so look, purple is 2 and orange is 2. So those 2 are equal. Okay, purple and orange are equal. And pink has 3 and green has 3. So pink and green are equal, even though that's broken. All right, now I do like this paper because now what we can do is take these off and we still have the numbers on there, and then we know how many to color. See, sometimes you take them off and then you're going, oh, I can't remember how many I had. But we're going to remember, or we could take them off one at a time. I'm going to do that. I'm going to take the pink off because I want to eat these. I don't want to leave them on there forever. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to leave it up to you. If you want to take a picture of it like this, isn't that pretty? In fact, I should have probably taken a picture of it before I eat them. Take a picture like this, and you can upload that to your Seesaw page, or you can wait till you have it colored. All right, so I'm going to take those off and color 3. And you know me, I like to outline. I think it looks so much prettier. All right, there, now I won't forget. Okay, I'll take the 2 purple off and color 2. So that way I have a representation once I take them off and I eat them. Then I'll remember. I'll remember how many I had and which I had the most of. Now this paper doesn't ask you, what do you have the most? What do you have the least? So tell you what, when we're done, I'm going to ask you to circle at least, let's find the most. Okay, so on mine, the most was yellow. So I'm going to circle yellow because it's the most. If you want to, you can find the least and maybe put maybe a check on it, the least. Do you have any that are the same? Maybe we could put a little star by it. I really am most concerned about the most and the least, right? Okay, now let's do the yellow. And we had 6. So once I take those off, I'll remember that. And I'm going to always start from the bottom. Because if you guess, I might go, oh, 6. Oh, yeah, it was way up here. But then if you make a mistake, you'd have to erase it. So start from the bottom and pretend like you're climbing up the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And then I'll take the orange off and I will color those. I only had 2. And you can always look over here at your numbers. 2, and then for what I'll do, since that's white won't show up well. So when I'm going to take that blue, I'm just going to outline it, but I won't color the inside. I'll leave it white. And that's done. Oh, I forgot to put my name on it. I'll write my name on there, and you can take a photo with this, or you can take a photo with all your heart candies on there. And the last thing you get to do, boys and girls, is what? You get to eat them. Bye.